Cell or Madam, kuname of fellow classmates standing in front of you. It's Kwantwana. I must go through with you on how did I come up with my design for recycling plastics. Why do we have to recycle plastics? Plastics are non-biodegradable, which means when stored on the ground, they will take more than hundreds of years to decompose, making soil pollution, meaning that the ground that is storing the plastics cannot be used for farming or building structures such as houses or roads. Plastic can be dangerous to their environment, to their aquatic life. How? When it rains or wind, the waste plastic thrown away can be taken or blown to the nearest river or sea, collecting there, creating a swamp of plastic that will kill aquatic life. That's not good for the environment. When burnt plastic produces toxic chemicals such as dioxin, carbon dioxide, etc., which is not good for our environment, increasing global warming. How do you identify how do I identify plastics that are recyclable? We need to know, are they thermoplastic or thermostatic plastics? Their color, their code number, triangle drawn on the plastic code of the product. Group them according to their plastic code to identify are they recyclable or not, so that we do not recycle plastic that cannot be recycled. Now let's go to the process of recycling plastic. We collect the waste of plastic thrown away, then group them according to their codes. After we group them to other codes, put them on the collective bins. After we cut them, we will be focusing now on how to recycle a PET. We cut the PET plastics to smaller pieces that could be pellets, depending on how small the pieces you want them to be. After we have cut them into smaller pieces, we put them on the heater to create one big piece of plastic that can be molded. After the pieces have put them in the heater and bonded together under the heat, we take them and put them on a mold. A mold is a special device that is used to create one large solid object. If we take a plastic that is being heated, which is hot, and put it there in the mold and then molded and wait for it to cool down, it will form one large piece. It could be a bowl if you want to create a bowl. It could be a tray if you want to create a tray. It could be whatever you want it to be that you want to, but first you have to create the mold specific for the object you want. The process of doing it for a drinking bottle, it's a different approach from the molding one, but it's for another day. Since I do not have any computer aid right now, such as AutoCAD or SolidWorks, I won't be presenting my design, but I'll be presenting my drawings that I draw on the paper. So putting it up there for you to see what I came up with and how these things work. Put them on the cutter, then after they cut into small pieces, you put them on the heater. The heater heats up the small pieces into bonding together to forming a large piece. That large piece is then put on the mold, and then the mold forms the bigger product. But after, we have to wait for it until it cools. Thank you, and that's my design project for technology. See you next time.